Oh, crazy. I just realized looking into this camera or on my screen, like the leaves are turning already. Like red and yellow and orange. Fall's coming. Well, fall's here actually. You know, most years that I've taken notice, fall actually starts in Edmonton mid-August. I'm not kidding you. So we have been blessed with an amazing summer. Like we actually had a decent summer with warm weather and the length of the summer. And now we're actually having fall too, it looks like. So that's awesome. Yeah, because normally I find there's like 2.5 seasons to Edmonton. There's like winter, you blink and it's spring, and then it goes to summer, which, you know, maybe we blink 3 times, and then summer's over, and then there's a slight bit of fall, and then like snow just rains down. So, oh. Good job, guys. Good boy, Chewy. Good boy, Bear. Good boy, Tukker. The colors, though, are just amazing. Fall is actually one of my believe it or not, fall is one of my favorite seasons because it's nice and cool, so colorful. And it just seems like on a day like today where it's like just cool and not warm and not hot and not cold, it feels really chillax. Good boy, Bear. Good boy, Chewy. Good boy, Tukker. I think Tukker, you know, he heard me. He was like, oh, Gabby said that the dirtier I am, the more fun I'll have. So he like took me literally, you know. Good boy, Chewy. Come on, Bear. We're going this way, bud. That's right. Come on, Bear. Move along, move along. Come on, bud. Good boy, Chewy.